Hi everybody, we are going to be starting Unit 4, and on one of my kitchen plates at home I wrote you a message. I've got a cup of water here and I used expo markers that I was able to bring home from school, and to start the unit we're going to start by asking questions and making some observations. So I'm just pouring a little bit of water onto the plate, and again I want you to make 2 observations and 2 questions. You're going to post those in the discussion board. And hopefully by the end of this unit, you are going to be able to explain why are you observing what you're observing and possibly answering some of those questions. I poured a little bit of extra water on, so maybe you can make a little bit more observations. And you can ask some more questions. There's a lot going on in this video. Again, I just used water. So what are you wondering?